Hello, Susie Kins and Susie Quins. This is the WWE YouTube World Susie. Who is the winner of the world, and you can acknowledge me as the head of that Susie Buffet. So, my dad got me Poco and Wise and the Bill. I do a film review and a film review today in one because they were too mindful. That's amazing because how you gamble it and talk a little bit with my family. So that's why. And that's when I was working. Thinking for people coming to see me. If you love sushi and go to the sushi bar with me, leave some comments below because I want to see me and you can talk about sushi. It'll be amazing. And WWE or personal life, but let's go. Yes, so that's why. And let's go tap into our review today here, and review too. So we got some fries here. Oh, stuck a little bit. That's alright. Stuck in the honey mustard. My favorite. If you love honey mustard, the person comments below. So yeah, what's this?
Which means certain cards to do. A Joker ace of 6. It's all over there.
It's all over there.
But basically the point is, so you can only
Wow.
go like clockwise.
Another poco. So yeah,
Based on
this.
what cards you play.
Wow.
The whole point is to get into these 4 your home area.
Like trouble
Do you remember
and
aggravation?
there was the pop one there.
That's trouble.
Yeah. You had to do the same thing. Get one out, work it all the way around, and then get into your home.
Wow. Poco.
So okay, the only way to get out of this is
Another
Joker ace or 6.
It feel.
Yeah. And then you're out.
Hence the FBA.
You play-
If you are 21 and up,
So you play another
you can
card,
do this.
like
So see if it's this.
5.
And then you move 5
do 3, 4, 5. Right? So basically you're trying to get the whole way around
and get into your spots.
Right.
Some of the
That's
rules,
delicious.
You can't pass your own
Smooth.
marker, right? So about a 5 right here.
Oh,
I can't play.
crunchy,
I can't play. I can't play. I can't play.
smoothness. Wow.
This guy can go 5.
And that is every guys, yo. Thank you for seeing me, my walk. Thank you. And I will do technicals for you guys. I hope you did a picture of me. And I was a W and give it to you guys. It'll be amazing. If you want to see that, this is comes below. And I was
So
I was in Hannah Montana and then almost done ended my vlog on last Wednesday and wasn't finally last SmackDown and we're going back here to do the results here. And that is every guys here. So thank you for watching our videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss a upload. And please, when second edibles, sponsor me on this YouTube channel. This gives us a channel. And just explain this too, please. And please share to your family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. Without that, I have tools for you. Sushi, yeah!
So wait, when you say